Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to add a border to your cells for a single cell or multiple cells or like a table on your WPS spreadsheet on your mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe and below. We just quickly move on to the video. To add the border on your cell to the WPS spreadsheet, I'm just going to show. First of all, I'm just going to add a particular cell. I'm just going to add a border. For an example, fifth row B. Okay, let's click on this icon, swipe down, and you will see an option called border. Click on the stated option. So you can see a lot of different type of border. I just need this type of border, the entire border. So you can see actually it's created. So you just need a border for this entire space, totally two columns with the two rows. So totally two rows. You can just click on this icon and it just go back. You can see now the border has been applied. The same procedure for how you just need a border. So I'm just going to select this and I just need a border. Just click this and just click anywhere. You can see it's created a border, a black line, a dark black line. So this is how you just create a border on your WPS spreadsheet on your mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.